In this short video, I want to show you how you can decide which managed packages you could potentially delete and save money on license fees. So first of all, you will need to go into Setup inside your org and go down to Install Managed Packages. And here you have a list of all the managed packages you've installed. This column here tells you how many licenses are used. And this item here, status, says whether it's free, active, or whether it's been expired. So if we pick any one of these, let's pick Cloud Coach Fundamentals. It's a great project management tool, but maybe it's been installed in our org just for a trial and it's no longer used. So we need to try and find those applications where they're not being used and they're clogging up our org with custom objects, reports, fields on standard objects. So I can look here and see the components associated with this managed package. And it will tell me how many fields, how many objects, but that doesn't help me understand whether it's being used. So for that, I need to go over to elements.cloud, and this is the org model. So a synchronization of all of your metadata into this tree structure. Here's a summary about everything we've synchronized. But if I go down to this section here called Managed Packages and open that up, there I can see all the managed packages have been synchronized, and there is CCMI. And it tells me that there are 13 custom objects, 65 Apex classes. I will need to click Update Population, and that will then go and get all the field data. So it won't pull your customer data, but it will identify whether there is any data in any field. So for those of you familiar with field trip, it's that field trip type functionality. Now for managed packages, you have to click Update Population. For every other customer standard org, we do that automatically. So I need to go and find out what CMMI is all about. I could go to the App Exchange and find out what the managed package does. I happen to know it's a project management tool, which means if I look at custom objects, probably the most important objects are either project or task. So let me click on that object called project. Again, I can see everything about it, how many custom fields. I could start to look at usage, and that will show me all the fields and if there's any data in there. So I can see there's no data in any of the fields. I just go back to the Details tab, scroll down. I can see there are 0 records, which suggests that this was installed maybe as a trial and has never been used. I can look at another object, say task. And again, 0 records. So this is a pretty good candidate for being deleted. But if I wanted to be sure, I could then go up to Reports, run a new report, scroll down and find the Managed Package Impact Analysis report, select the managed package that I want to run it for, and hit Run. Well, what that's going to do is it's going to look for every single field in the managed package and whether those fields have been installed on the custom objects associated with the managed package or on standard fields like account, case, contact, and it will tell me if there's any data that's been populated in any of those fields. So with a combination of setup and the main tree structure inside Elements Catalyst and the report, you get a better picture about your managed packages to decide whether they can be deleted.